Next, exercise 4a. First one. Find the equation of the ellipse with focus at 1, -1, E 2 by 3, and directrix is x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ద ఎలిప్స్ కనుక్కోవాలి. దీర్ఘవృత్త ఈక్వేషన్ కనుక్కోవాలి, సమీకరణం కనుక్కోవాలి. దానికి గివెన్ డేటా ఫోకస్ 1, -1, eccentricity equal to 2 by 3, and directrix is x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. That is given data. Finally, we can find out the equation of the ellipse. దీర్ఘవృత్త సమీకరణం కనుక్కోవాలి. Okay? Given that focus S 1, -1, eccentricity 2 by 3, directrix L equal to x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. That means x-axis, y-axis, ellipse, focus and directrix L equal to 0. If P is any point, then SP PM. If P is any point on the ellipse, P x comma y, be any point on the locus in the ellipse. From definition, SP by PM equal to E. SP by PM equal to E. That means definition, conic definition. The distance from fixed point and fixed line is constant ratio. E is called, that locus, that type of locus is called conic. If E less than 1, ellipse, E greater than 1, hyperbola. If E equal to 1, parabola. That is definition of conic. That means the locus of the point which moves constant ratio such that its distance from fixed point to fixed line are in constant ratio. Fixed point to fixed line are in constant ratio. Fixed point is called focus, fixed line is called directrix. Fixed point is called focus, fixed line is called directrix. Okay, that is definition of conic ellipse. That is SP by PM equal to E. That implies SP equal to EPM. That implies SP square equal to E square PM square. SP square means distance between S and P square. That is P 1, -1, that is x minus 1 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square equal to E square. 2 by 3 whole square, 4 by 9, PM square. PM square means point P nunchi perpendicular distance to the line. P nunchi perpendicular distance to the line. That means directrix. The distance from P to directrix, that is perpendicular distance from P to directrix. That is modulus x plus y plus 2 by root of a square plus b square PM square. That is formula. Perpendicular distance from P to the given line. Formula, that is modulus ax1 plus by1 plus c by. Formula modulus ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. Straight lines la formula. Okay, perpendicular distance from point to line, from point P to directrix. Now cross multiplication. 9 into x minus 1 whole square, x square minus 2x plus 1, y plus 1 whole square, y square plus 2y plus 1, 4 by root 2 whole square, 2, x plus y plus 2 whole square, root 2 whole square, 2. Here a minus b whole square, here a plus b whole square, 2 ones, 2 twos. That implies 9x square, 9y square minus 18x, 18y, 1 1 2, 9 into 2, 18, 2 into a plus b plus c whole square, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab, 2bc, 2ca. That implies 9x square plus 9y square minus 18x plus 18y plus 18 minus 2 into x square, 2x square, 2y square minus 4xy minus 8x minus 8y equal to 0. Minus, ఇంకోటి ఉంది, minus 8, 2 into 4. Next, that implies 9x square minus 2x square, 7x square, 7y square minus 18x minus 8x minus 26x plus 10y, 18 minus 8, 10. That is equation of the ellipse. That is equation of the given ellipse, which have focus 1 comma minus 1, eccentricity 2 by 3. Focus 1 comma minus 1, eccentricity 2 by 3. That is, find the equation of the ellipse with focus 1 comma minus 1, eccentricity 2 by 3, directrix x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. From figure SP by PM equal to E, because definition of conic, that is the distance from fixed point to fixed line is constant raised to E by 1, E is to 1, that is SP by PM equal to E. Whereas P is x comma y be any point on the ellipse, SP equal to EPM, SP square equal to E square PM square, SP square E square PM square, a minus b whole square, a plus b whole square, 4 by 9 into root 2 whole square, 2, a plus b plus c whole square, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ba, 2ca, 2bc. Left side transfer, just the remaining equation is ellipse equation. Eccentricity of the ellipse, of course standard form of ellipse. నేను మొన్న చెప్పాను, ఏమీ ఇవ్వకపోతే ది స్టాండర్డ్ ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఎలిప్స్, దట్ ఈస్ x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Find the eccentricity of the ellipse if its length of lateral rectum is equal to half of its major axis. Half of its major axis. Now, equation of the ellipse, standard form, equation of the ellipse, x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, whereas a greater than b. Given data, length of lattice rectum is equal to half of its major axis, half of its major axis. That means length of lattice rectum is equal to half of its major axis, means length of lattice rectum 2b square by a, half of its major axis, length of major axis 2a, 2b square by a equal to half into 2a, because given data length of lattice rectum equal to half of its major axis, half into length of major axis 2a, 2 cancelled, remaining part 2b square equal to a square, We know that in standard form of ellipse, that means a greater than b case, 2 into b square means a square into 1 minus e square. B square equal to a square into 1 minus e square. A square cancelled. That implies 1 minus e square equal to 1 by 2. That implies e square equal to 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2. That implies e equal to 1 by root 2. That is eccentricity. Eccentricity is 1 by root 2. Because given data is length of lattice rectum is equal to half of its major axis. Length of lattice rectum is equal to half of its major axis. Length of lattice rectum is 2b square by a. Okay. 2b square by a. Next, half of its major axis. Half into 2a. 2 cancelled. 2b square equal to a square. We know that b square equal to a square into 1 minus e square. That is a square cancelled. A square cancelled. 2 into 1 minus e square equal to 1, no, 1 by 2. E square minus 1 equal to 1 by 2. E square equal to 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2. E equal to 1 by root 2. That is fourth one.